of these. No, we're gonna go in with, I'm gonna do 6 ounces for each mini, okay. I'm gonna do 6 ounces for each. Yeah, that is a lot. That is a lot. Hola, hola, hola from sunny South Texas, Vianney Rodriguez, your resident Tex-Mex queen, and today we are shaking up mini Big Red Margaritas. I mean, why go out when you can have margaritas at home? But let's kick it up. Let's do margaritas with a twist. Let's have fun with it. So today I want to show you how I took the beloved Big Red. You know, Texans love Big Red. They love to have barbacoa and Big Red. They are the perfect combo. So today I'm taking the Big Red and I'm transforming this baby into a mini margarita. They're so cute. Just wait till you see how cute, but how easy these are to make at home. If you like what you're seeing and craving Tex-Mex, be sure to hit like and subscribe. Let's get shaken. Last 2 or 3 years, we have been in construction at our house. I really wanted to take the time to thank all my construction workers, so I invited them over for dinner because y'all know I love to host. It is so fun to host people at my house. So we invited all these burly construction guys over, and I thought, what can I serve them? And then I had a little can of Big Red stashed away in my pantry, and I thought, you know what? Let me present these big burly construction guys with their rough hands and they're all sweaty. Let's present them a mini margarita and see what they say. And once I presented it, they love them. The only thing is these mini margaritas go down very smoothly, so watch out. But let me show you how to prepare them. So we're gonna start with 2 mini Big Reds. We're gonna pop the top. And the beauty of this cocktail recipe is it's frozen. We're gonna make it in a blender so it whips up in no time. Okay, I've popped the top. I'm gonna add 2 cans of our mini Big Red to the blender. Here goes 1. Here goes the next one. And if you love the combo of Big Red and barbacoa, be sure to check out our barbacoa recipe from season 1. Okay, so now I've got our Big Red in the blender. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cute these cans up. Just gonna run my can opener over the can, and you'll see right away the top falls out easily. And don't be nervous because I tested this a few times. I don't want anybody to get hurt. But when you run the can opener, you're only removing the inside, that you're left with a complete seal. So no need to worry. No one will harm themselves while drinking this margarita. And if you're nervous and you don't feel like running the risk, pop a straw in there, okay? Here's our second one. Get rid of our top. Okay, so we have our little vessels ready to go. Now I'm gonna dress them. I'm gonna come in with some lemon. I'm gonna run it over the rim, and I'm gonna dip it in Tajin. Tajin is a spicy Mexican mixture you can find everywhere. People love it over fresh fruit, over popcorn, and I like to rim my glass, get a little bit of that spice with the coldness. The Tajin with the chilled Big Red is just so delicious. Here we have our second one. So there we go. We have our glasses ready to go. In our blender, we have our Big Red. We're gonna come in with some fresh lemon juice. So I love lemon with Big Red because I think it enhances the Big Red flavor and it just brings a pop of freshness in. Super simple. Big Red, we have lemon juice. Now we're gonna come in with the star of the show, the tequila. We're gonna do 1 ounce per can to the blender. I like to use tequila blanco in the summer for my margaritas because it really elevates the flavor of any fruit or any beverage you add it to. So we have our Big Red, our lemon juice, our tequila. Now we're gonna hit the blender with some ice. We want these nice and frosty. We wanna make sure we have plenty of ice because this is a frozen margarita. Okay, so we've added our ice. We are placing the top on our blender and now we're gonna give it a whirl. So we have our Big Red, our lemon juice, our tequila, and all our ice nice and blended. So now we are going to serve these bad boys up. Gonna remove the top. We're gonna come in. I just wanna use a little spoon to help it along. And we're going to add our Big Red Margarita to our mini cans. How cute is this? Whoop, that's fine. Here we go. Here is our first one. To finish off our margarita, I'm just gonna tuck in a lemon slice because I'd like everyone to know that I've added a little bit of citrus to our margarita. And there you have it, guys, the most adorable mini Big Red margaritas. We've got Big Red, we've got tequila blanco, we've got a little bit of lemon juice, and we rimmed our can with Tajin. So if you like what you see, and salud to tequila, be sure to like